for here.
Do a street dreams style.
Yeah, we can't because there's money stuck in there.
Yeah.
Y'all got a bill stuck in it?
No.
Yeah, why would we be stuck sticking paper in the coin slot? Dude, it's stuck right there.
Hang on.
Because we see
we
it.
just saw it.
That far down in there?
Go get a paper clip.
I have that.
A paper clip.
There I go. Tony, they kicked me
There's a
out.
camera watching something.
They kicked me out of professional football because I'm so bad at it that I'm about to tackle the coach. You ready?
Yeah.
We might get all the coach we want. They kicked you out from that.
Dude, you don't understand. This pup is tough.
We seriously might need a paper clip.
Oh!
Let's go get a paper clip. Damn it. So like, watch it. Stay in guard. It's not gonna take our damn chain.
Mel, you got a paper clip on you?
Just got it ready.
Let's go get a paper clip.
Dude, I got like something.
I was gonna say get a knife and do it down in there. No, yeah, I do that on a bunch of coin machines. Try a knife down there and fish it out. Oh shit. We need a paper clip.
Yeah, we're making a documentary on like how you get chains stuck in the vending machine.
Big one or?
Yeah,
Big
we're
one.
making a video.
Give us a few big ones.
No,
Oh, God, he's sitting good at that. Hey, here's a quarter, y'all.
Yeah, we'll take that.
Just pay her back.
Okay.
how many you need, Charles?
Just come on, bring them. We might have to fish it out.
We can run a train.
Mom's gonna ask me, what do you do today? Oh, we fished for money. Fun. I got us another quarter.
Yeah, that's gonna help at this
I
point.
know. Let me just put that.
I thought you really was.
That work. Dude. What the fuck is that gonna do?
Apparently just fold up. Give me one.
Just put the quarter in there.
Take this one out here. It's all
It ain't
ready.
stuck.
Oh, that one too.
I think one might be enough.
It's not.
What?
It's him.
Stop moving shit around.
Dixon will come up here. What are y'all doing? Try to fish
I
that
hear
money
him.
out. Oh, you can hear it moving around down there.
Give me another one. Let's put two in there and like try to.
Yeah. Use two at a time. Let's try to pry this one out with that one.
Hold
Let's
it.
get this knife out.
Keep it steady.
Like curve it around so I don't get stuck in that hole over there.
I gotta call my mom.
I'm sorry.
I think we should put the other quarter in.
Yeah, put the other quarter in. Maybe we can shove that quarter onto them quarters.
I'll shove that quarter
If
on
not,
top of
then
it.
we're off.
I'll get the main office down here. Give me my money back.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, mama.
Call it.
You said I'd get my vision picture up tomorrow?
Well, we just lost another quarter out of the way. Damn. Wait, maybe if we like fold it, it'd give us more, power. We can't reach it though.
If you had
I
to.
need it to be longer.
If you have to, can you reschedule?
That's what she said.
That's right.
It's at the house.
Feel that.
That money's gone. Y'all might as well give
No,
up.
it's not gone.
Here we go. Like claws. We just need it to go down.
Yeah, very, very, very.
Yeah, you bust that machine. We're really gonna be.
Yes, I'm gonna
SOL.
bust metal.
Yes, I know, right?
Damn.
Come on, check. Ready? Go.
You go, I go. You go, I go.
Yeah, rocking the machine really gonna do a lot. It's gonna last while the drain start falling out.
Yeah, that didn't work at all, actually.
We can hit. Oh, you got to move it. Oh, you got the quarter up.
It's stuck.
You got it up.
No, that's
Oh shit.
paper.
Pull it. I thought you had the quarter up. I'm
What the
outside.
hell is that?
Dude, there's a machine eating quarter thing. Or a quarter
What
eating
the fuck?
machine.
There's a monster. It eats quarters in there. Well, we found it. Okay, that's not.
Here,
gonna work.
hold up.
Yeah.
Why are we recording this?
Good. Documentary.
Documentary,
High school life.
While you take your time and you put crack in the
If somebody walks by, I'm just gonna stop like that.